Here in the suburban areas of wildlife, we see a covey of young females. They're taking a break from their day-to-day grind and enjoying food, companionship, and the communal salsa bowl. It appears that one of the females is practicing a ritual only seen in this part of the world and known as fasting. The goal of it being to abstain from eating for as long as possible. This young female hopes to change her physical shape in order to better attract a mate. In other words, and in more colloquial terms, she's getting rid of that junk in the trunk. Although this female is fasting, it doesn't mean she doesn't want food. These tasty morsels can still stimulate the salivary glands with their aromatic fumes. We will now see if she can conquer her desire for those jalapeno poppers and bagel bites. One of the females introduces a popular treat known as taquitos, a delicacy in the American culture. Taquitos happen to be one of her favorite meals. The hormones and factors that stimulate hunger increase, and the only thing she's had in the past 6 hours is water with a squeeze of lemon juice. Will the young female continue her fast or break it? She's at the tipping point. She's done well this far, but confronted with a greater adversary, her self-discipline seems to be waning. She breaks. Unfortunately, this young female will now have to begin her fast all over again. Sometimes nature's greatest threat doesn't have to appear violent or dangerous, but instead be under the guise of pre-cooked jalapeno poppers and other American appetizers. Why struggle on your fast when you don't have to? Fast longer with Keto Fasting Tea.
Hey, Brenda. How you doing? Just here, looking good. Yum yum. Want a little piece of me? Want a little piece? Yum yum. Want a little piece?
Oh no, not this time, Hot Pockets.